Hey, what's going on, guys? Jewel here. This is not an official unboxing video that I would do, because my throat really hurts. Yeah. So, this is the unboxing of the Perixx gaming mousepad DX-2000 XXL. Got it for $20 on Amazon, which is pretty cheap compared to like Razer and stuff. So, opening the box, you get this DX-2000 XXL gaming control mousepad. It has everything on it. Like I said, $20, but it's 35 inches long, 900 millimeters by 300 millimeters, 9:3 ratio. That's pretty good. In other words, 35 inches by 11 inches. And it comes rolled up in this little tube. Take it out. Oh, this looks very good. Okay. Ready for this? Oh, jeez. This thing is long. This thing is so big. Hand comparison. Okay. 6x6 cube for comparison. It looks tiny to it. Wow. That's awesome. The surface is pretty good. I would say it's kind of rough though. Yeah. Yep. So that's the video, I guess. I will be doing an official review later. Like in 2 weeks probably. So hope to see y'all guys later. Peace out. Perixx DX-2000. I like that logo. Pretty cool.